Driving B-roll. Don't worry about the radio. I can just put music over it, you know, or something.
Yeah, I got it fucking last year. I didn't get it Tuesday. Stop bullying my emotions. I don't owe you anything. I just want my shawarma. But you can't. They're safe.
Rich family, I have an uncle who's a burglar. Yeah. He also suffers from agoraphobia, so he just breaks down.
That's a cool houseboat. 2 stories.
Oh, and my psychiatrist thinks I'm a kleptomaniac.
What a beautiful province.
Oh man, yeah. Alright guys, so we crashed out in the truck last night. Got quite a bit of really bad sleep. It's raining this morning. It's pretty cold. We were pretty cold last night. Get some more clothes on now. Gonna get out there and start scouting out hunting spots and scouting out the camping spot too. Because we're just sort of off the side of a logging road here, and it'd be nice to be a little further back. But yeah, we'll see what we can find. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the quads unloaded and we're going to start scouting. We threw my my compound bowl on the back of Andrew's quad because we figured that's the easiest thing to carry with us. So if by chance we find a really stupid moose along the way, we might be able to do something about that. But you know, mostly we're just looking for a better spot to camp and some nicer areas to, well, some moose sign basically. Start setting up some tree stands and thinking about where we want to go. Alright guys, so we just went scouting this morning. Still been just raining steady. It's been pretty rough, but I don't think it's supposed to rain all week. I think we got a clear day tomorrow and Wednesday, so that'll be nice. We found some really nice moose sign, pile of tracks. You know, tracks of probably 3 or 4 different moose coming through an area. Marked a few trees that we might want to set up stands at. Lots of deer poo, moose poo, bear poo. So you could even see a bear too, and they're in season and I have a tag, so if we see a bear we might even take it. And you know, we're just gonna head back to camp. We're gonna get that set up, get a tarp set up, cook some food, you know, get a little more comfortable, get the tent set up, get some gear put in the tent so that the truck's not so full of stuff. And yeah, you know, we might get a bit of an evening hunt in today, but chances are we might end up just going to scout out other spots, maybe get a camera up. Anyways, check with you later. Alright guys, so after getting soaked this morning, we've got a little more of a camp going on now. We got a big 16 by 20 foot tarp set up. Andrew's setting up his tent over there. We got a nice table right there. I'm going to put my tent there. We got a fire pit over there. You know, it's a nicer spot, out of the way, stayed dry. This morning was pretty brutal. Got soaked, it was cold, still pretty cold. Not too bad. But anyways, gonna get this camp set up a little better and get back at it. Alright guys, well, this morning hunt was pretty uneventful for both of us. Andrew was trying to get high up a tree, get a good look on a valley and see if he could see something. Wasn't able to really get in a good spot to see anything, so he didn't see much. I was up in my spot, didn't really see anything either. Nothing on the trail camera. We're gonna go do a little bit more scouting this afternoon. Be sort of scouting / stalking, see what we can find. I brought the binoculars with me. I'm gonna do a bit of glassing if I can. Really, we just want to find more sign. If we can actually see a moose, that would be great. And keep working on running water here. Oh yeah! So there's the update for today. It's Tuesday, and you know, hopefully have some more for you this evening. Alright, so we walk in from here. Alright, man. Oh. There's a grouse standing 12 feet in front of me. Big bastard.